Good afternoon. I've got a quick unboxing review of a new revolver I have from DIY Leisure, delivered to me last night, and it's the Umarex Legends S40. It's a 4-inch revolver. This is a rifle barrel, pellet shooter. That's all the data information on the back. Just hold it there so you can stop it and have a read of it. So I'm just going to go through it. So what's coming in the box, obviously you have your Umarex manual, it tells all you need to know. Won't bother going through that, you can read that, anybody can read. Comes with a speed loader for your shells. It comes with 2 rails, so you can fit rails to this. I'll just get them out of the box. So you've got a short rail, okay, and a longer rail with 2 grub screws in. And it also comes with a little Allen key as well to fit them. And this is a revolver, so you can actually take this rear sight off and put a rail on there. You can also fit a rail on there. So probably fit a rail on there and maybe put a small laser on. Okay, so this is the revolver. So it's like all revolvers, basically it's single action and double action, and also you can also decock it. Yeah, on this side it's like a Smith & Wesson, so you put it back to put the safety on. This is in fire mode, and you push it forward, you can unlock it and throw the shells on the floor. There we go. So yeah, pop these shells out. So pellet shooter, so the pellets go in the back, okay, 177 obviously, and then you just lock it up, and when you fire this you'll notice it actually rotates anti-clockwise, which is unusual because I think the Dan Western goes clockwise if I remember rightly. So yeah, really nice. CO2 goes in there, so you lift that up, you pop your CO2 in there, yeah, you've got your tab there, do your tab up, yeah, and then you just pop your grip back on, like so, slam it shut, and that's ready to go. Really nice. Rear sights are fully adjustable for windage and elevation. Yeah, you've got a screw there and a screw there for elevation and windage. Okay, you can actually see the sights. They're actually not bad at all. Actually, I mean, I think this will shoot pretty straight. Most sights do. Yeah, so yeah, really nice. The actual trigger, it's actually very smooth. Yeah. Rifle barrel from there to there is a 66mm, I believe it says on the box. Rifle barrel. So yeah, I think this will shoot very nicely. So I hope you like that little unboxing review. In UK these are about 140. It is a very nice looking revolver. There we go. So I'm just going to wait for the Webley .22 cal, the new .22 cal Webley revolver, Mark 6 revolver to arrive, and I shall be doing a review on that as well. And when the weather improves, it's pretty naff at the moment, is I'll get this outside and we'll see what it's like freestanding at, say, I think we'll do a 10 and maybe a 15-meter shoot. I think might be good. Okay, so just give another look over. So yeah, you can put those rails on top if you want. You want to take these off. Apparently you knock that pin out there, yeah, that actually allows you to remove that, and then you can put the rail on, but I'll just put the rail on the bottom, I think. Just put the small rail on, and I'll probably put a laser on at some point. But yeah, really nice. I think for the money, the quality, yeah, is fantastic. So I hope you like that. Thanks for watching.